Welcome, in front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and in this video I will show you what to do if your Bluetooth device doesn't want to connect to your smartphone. So the first thing that you can do is swipe down the quick settings menu and then toggle your Bluetooth off and then on again and see if this helps. The next thing that you can do is unpair a device. So select this gear icon, then select forget device, and then try to pair it again. Let's wait until it pops up on the list. And once it does, select it, then pair it, and then try to use it once again. Now if your device didn't pair, or if your device is still has some problems with connections, then I suggest that you should restart your Bluetooth device and also restart your phone. Now, to restart your Bluetooth device, you probably have to hold the restart button on it. I'm not sure, but because there are different ways to restart different Bluetooth devices. So check your manual or check some videos on our YouTube channel if you find your device out there. So restart your device, then also restart your phone. To do that, hold down the power key and the volume up button at the same time, select restart, and then wait until your phone is restarted, and then just try to reconnect your device to your phone once again. And the next thing that you can do is check for software updates on your phone. And to do that, open your settings again and go down to the system settings. Then go to go to system updates, check for updates, and if you have some updates to install, then take your time and do that, because this might also improve the way your hardware works, including Bluetooth connections. And if this doesn't help, then as the last resort, you can go to reset options, select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, click reset, and then try reconnecting to your Bluetooth device. You will also have to reconnect your Wi-Fi network, by the way, after doing that. So pair your device once again, and then try to reconnect to it. And at this point, it should help. And so do I hope that this video helped you. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.